Right. What is affiliate marketing? You might be having questions, and some of you might know already about affiliate marketing. I want to put it in an easy way so that you will understand everything. What is affiliate marketing? So, before I say what is affiliate marketing, see the facts of affiliate marketing. What's happening in the affiliate marketing, how much people are earning and all. 81% of the brands rely on affiliate marketing programs to improve their business. So, example, I'll tell you. This is one of my US client. Have a good number of e-commerce clients actually. So to get business to this, what we're doing is I've done SEO for this. I'm doing Google Ads and social media, everything I'm doing actually to improve the sales. But you don't believe, apart from all these things, affiliate marketing is also one kind of a marketing technique to improve the sales. And these days, all the brands depending on the affiliate marketing. So what to say, affiliate can be anything. I can be affiliate, you can be, any individual person is an affiliate. What he will do is he'll come to this website, he'll take this product, he will market on behalf of this company. And if any sale comes, he will get a commission. So most of the companies are doing affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is not optional, it is mandatory these days. I'll come back to this website later. So 81% of the brands rely on affiliate marketing. There are some websites, some companies, 100% they're depending on affiliate marketing only. They're not doing anything else because they found it is profitable. And affiliate marketing worth $12 billion as of now. So it's very good actually. And the US affiliate marketing is expected to reach, so it's already crossed 2020 anyway. And affiliate program contribute 30% revenue for the companies. Right. There are some numbers. I'm going to share this landing page to you. It's not PPT actually, directly it's a website page only. Okay. And if you see, on average, affiliate marketers are earning 20,000 per year. This is their income. I'm not saying that everybody will earn money like that. It depends on how you master that. You can see the other number. There are 3% of the people that are earning $150,000 per year. That's very rare, but the earning, the numbers are there actually. And majority of the affiliate marketers promote 1 to 10 products. Okay. Right. Now let's come back. What is affiliate marketing? Let me take some example from small to big. I'll take. Let me take ODMT, Amazon, and some ClickBank and CJ things. So let me start explaining in a small way. This is my website. I provide online digital marketing trainings. Pandemic started and CPC rates have been increased. When I want to go for Google Ads, the cost per click is $100, sometimes $250 also, 250 rupees, I'm sorry, for the keywords also. So I'm not a big entrepreneur, I'm a small entrepreneur, I can't afford that much. I don't have that much of daily budget. Then one of my student actually, Emmanuel, so he told me that network marketing is always good, means a referral marketing kind of thing. So then what we started is people who already took course from me, online trainings, we started asking them, you refer some people, we give you 2,000 rupees, we give you 3,000 rupees. As of now, we are giving 5,000 rupees if someone refers. And our course fees is 20,000. And assume that there is a guy called Avinash and he introduced some of your cousin. He's done BTech and he wanted to do digital marketing. He introduced me. And I'm taking 20,000 from his cousin, but 5,000 rupees I'm giving to Avinash because Avinash has introduced that lead to me. So here it's up to 25% of my revenue I'm giving to that guy. Now this guy is my affiliate actually. Okay. You don't believe, from the past 1 year, 70% of our sales are through these kind of thing only. But this is not affiliate marketing. This is kind of a networking marketing. But I'm trying to explain you from a ground level actually. Okay, right. So this is about the ODMT thing, right? Next, let's go to Amazon. What would be the affiliate marketing from Amazon perspective? So there is a website here, mysmartprice.com. See, it's a complete e-commerce website. Let me open one product here. You want to sell? This is not good. Let me go for another product. See, they have laptops, TV, appliances, everything is there. This is looking like an e-commerce website, but this is not a e-commerce website. This is a affiliate marketing website. See what he did regarding every e-commerce product. It can be electronics or anything. He's writing a blog on that. He's making this landing page on the top. Then whenever people come here, he's showing that what is the price in Amazon, what is the price in Flipkart, what is the price in eBay. It's more like a price comparison website. Now in the long run, people see that if I want to go for buying a product directly, go to Amazon, I don't know how much is in Flipkart. Then people started coming to this website directly, mysmartprice.com. Then people are buying from here. Or see, if you click here, it will redirect to Amazon website. Somewhere here, there will be an affiliate ID will be there, that guy. So if anyone purchase the product, he will get commission because the customer came to know about the product because of My Smart Price. So this is the affiliate marketing. And I'll tell you something else. Samsung J7, one product I'm searching. See, when I search here, generally 30% of the people click on the ad, remaining will go here. See, there is website. When I search Samsung J7, Samsung website is not coming on the top. Someone else is coming on the top. GS Marina. Everybody know that. GS Marina will give reviews on the product. And ndtv.com. I don't believe GS Marina also doing affiliate marketing only. Somewhere else they put affiliate links. Someone click and buy the product, he will get a commission. Next, NDTV also doing the same thing. See, Flipkart affiliate. How to register for affiliate marketing, I'll be explaining separately. So this is also affiliate marketing. ODMT is a small one, Amazon is a big one. Now ClickBank and CJ. Amazon have a commission, but low commission. But when it comes to this, these are only affiliate, they do only affiliate. These people have up to 75% commission they are giving. That's why it's popular. So these are all the things. This is CJ, Commission Junction, and this is the ClickBank. In such a way, around top 10 affiliate networks are there. What kind of network you have to choose, that I'll be explaining anyway. So you have to come here. There are different categories actually: arts and entertainment, betting system, computers, fiction, games. You have to choose a proper product and you have to promote it. Okay. So let me go in detail later actually. Now I give you an idea what is affiliate marketing. Simply, you work for someone else as a part-time and you bring sale to them, you will get a commission, right? Now, you might be heard about resellers. What is resellers and what is affiliate marketing? So Meesho, Oriflame, you might have heard about it. So most of the the housewives, they're doing Meesho and Oriflame. See, reseller network has raised about $2.8 million in 2020. Meesho is turning housewives into WhatsApp entrepreneurs. Most of the people, even my students also have seen them. Saris or else necklace or else gold, this kind of thing, they will get a links from this website, Meesho. Then these people will promote within their network. Their reach is WhatsApp means they might be having their friends, their relatives. They keep on sharing. You might be experience this kind of thing every day. They put status and all these things, and they're earning very good amount. An average 10 to 15,000 per person they're earning actually. Okay. Same thing is Oriflame also. Oriflame is a cosmetic, I think some Europe, France or something. These people started and people enrolled for this also. They're earning a lot of money because women, when a woman is referring some cosmetic, other women get attract. So people are making money. Then which is good actually, reseller network or else affiliate marketing. The problem with the reseller network is your reach is within your network only. You can't reach more than that. You can't reach complete Hyderabad, right? Your friends and relatives only can reach. That is the problem. Second thing is knowledge. There is no knowledge in this. People, of course, people want to make money, but their main motto is not only money actually. They want some kick in their work actually. So every day keep on sharing. Someday you feel like I'm doing nothing actually. So most of the people they quit after 1 and 1.5 year. So that is the main problem actually. So one thing is the reach is very less. Assume that one woman started in her network. Daily she is posting. After 6 months, what happens? Her relatives will start responding to her calls and everything because they are afraid. Every day she's keep on pinging these things actually. That's why it's a saturated. So how this works actually? So there are some vendors. It can be Meesho, it can be Oriflame, it can be someone else. They will attract resellers, mostly housewives. They will send links regularly. Now these reseller targeting the customer. This customer can be only their relatives and friends only. Now whenever customer purchased, this reseller will get money. But here good advantage of reseller is if they get a product for 100 rupees, it's up to them. They can sell it for 120 rupees or 150 rupees only. But the problem is that saturated. Okay. That is about reseller. I can say affiliate marketing is much, much better than the reseller. Let's go for drop shipping actually. So drop shipping versus affiliate marketing. So what is drop shipping again? Here drop shipping means in the reseller account, you don't have to create a website actually. Your WhatsApp is enough. Drop shipping is better than reseller account. Here you have to maintain a website, means you should be technical. Same like a Amazon, it can be AliExpress, any website. You can select some 100 to 200 products and you can create a website with that. And you will start promoting to the customer, mostly US and UK customers will be promoting. Now customer will come and buy product. Directly amount will be in your pocket. The problem is you don't have a stock actually. Inventory you're not maintaining. Then you will order from AliExpress. Now AliExpress will ship to them. So shipping, you don't have to worry again. This is also very easy actually. AliExpress will take. Then it is very good. You can see the growth of the drop shipping started from 2015. So expecting 25, how many $1 billion it's going to reach? It's a huge. Drop shipping is very good actually. Maybe after 2 months, I'm going to start the drop shipping course also. I started already working. Few of my students also working. But the main problem with this, it's completely 70% it depended on the AliExpress, which is China. Now, due to pandemic, nobody buying from China. Now, alternates came already. CJ dropshipping came. They have places in UK and US. From there, also the shipping within 3 days actually. So it's good only. Problem is, customer is buying from you only. If something returns are coming, you have to take care of this. That is the main problem. Whereas here, you don't have a headache actually, but here you have a headache actually because customer can complain on you that whether the product is good. Most of these products, some of the products are not good. Then you have to bear. That is one thing. Second thing is how you are going to reach the customer. You created a beautiful website. Nobody will come to your website. You have to market, right? Maybe you have to run a Google ads. You have to run a Facebook ads. Money is there. First, you have to invest. Then only money will come. Okay, but I'm not saying it's bad, it's good actually. But if you are technically good in digital marketing, you have good investment, and you should sacrifice few of your bucks for returns and all these things, then drop shipping on a long run it is very good. But again, I'm saying affiliate marketing is much better. Now let me come to the point. Affiliate marketing. Now see this, see the forecast by 2022, How many US billion dollars? Is some companies spending on affiliate marketing this many billion dollars? Their spending means definitely there should be some affiliates, means like you who are going to promote. With you only they're doing it actually. So there is very good career for affiliate marketing. Some numbers I'm showing. 81% of the marketers leverage the use of affiliate marketing. Then affiliate programs generate 15 to 30% of all sales for advertisers. Next, 15% of the total digital marketing advertising revenue is attributed to affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is mandatory now. Now, the actual thing, how to do it. How to do affiliate marketing, I'm going to show you. I told you ODM2, which is very small actually. Amazon is somewhat better. Now the bigger one, how to do with the ClickBank, how to do with the CJ affiliate, I'm going to show you now. Some sample I'm going to show you how to do that. Right. Let me come here. CJ, they have a very good vendors, I can say. Aweber here, he's a vendor actually. Okay. Now he's saying that, now me, I registered as affiliate. Okay. So they have some numbers. You don't understand now. Here is the link actually. Click on the link, copy the link, promote wherever you want. Someone click and join from that link, you will get commission. Okay, first we have to register to these kind of affiliate networks. After that, choose the proper niche and select the links and promote on your network. Okay, now see the banners are there. There are different banners available. CJ is more on the banner. Let me select here. There is a code. By giving instructions, everything, what is the size and everything. Okay, take this code and put it on your website. Let's see what happens. Now I'm doing it on my sample website here. If you're not technical, don't worry. So here, right hand side, I want to promote that. Appearance, widget. HTML. It's that much simple. Just paste the code, save. Let me push here. Let's see the website. Now see here, the Aweber banner I'm promoting here. Now, when it comes to ODMT, abc.odmt, regularly few of my students writing blogs here. People are coming over here. They click here. They'll go to Aweber now. They'll go to Aweber, but somewhere here, this is my affiliate ID. So commission will come to me. Someone come here and they purchase the software, I'll get a commission. Well, you might be having a question like, when a person coming to some blog website, why he will click? Why he will click? There is a possibility if 1,000 people comes, 10 people will click on this. But if you want to be succeeded in this, what I say is, instead of writing a blogs on this, why don't you write a blog on top email marketing tools? Okay, write a blog on top email marketing tools, then write MailChimp, Aweber, and the remaining things. Make sure that you do affiliate marketing with MailChimp, Web and Aweber, and give a links. Because when it comes to here, customer intent was to read some blog here. But when you write a blog on top 5 email marketing tools, customer intent is to see that email marketing tools only. There is a possibility success rate will be more. So bloggers will earn a lot of money with the affiliate marketing, but this is not a proper way of affiliate marketing. This is just a blog website where we want to earn money with the ads, Google ads. But if you want to do affiliate marketing, this is not correct. Perfectly niche based blogging, you have to do it. Okay. This is about CJ. Now, once Traffic comes, people click, how much commission you got it, they'll be showing you. This is one thing. So practically, I been to here, I selected one, I placed the code. Now let's come back to ClickBank actually. ClickBank is very popular. It's 20 years old company, and so many of affiliates earn money. Some people earn millions of dollars also. One of my students recently earned $83,000, and one student earned 6 lakhs and he lost 6 lakhs also. Some people are still struggling. Okay, it depends on how they did it. Now here, select any product actually. Now let me select something like e-business and e-marketing. Let's take affiliate marketing if you want. Let me say email marketing only. Here also email marketing are there. Okay, less money is there. Let me show you the good one where you have a lot of money. Health and fitness. Right. Most of the ClickBank products related to healthy, obesity, weight loss, these kind of thing. Now see, Okinawa flat belly tonic. Okay. Here, initial conversion $135, recurring $34. There are some terms like gravity and all these things. Gravity is nothing but how many affiliates are using this? How many affiliates are getting conversions with this? 640 means it's huge. Mostly gravity will be 10, 20. Means most of the affiliates are choosing this product because there is a lot of commission is there. Okay. Now, Ajit, but I want to promote this. Then what I do is I'll click on promote. When I click on promote, it will ask my nickname and tracking ID. This is optional. I'm checking it. 1 second. And generate hope link. This is called hope link. You can see here you can earn 75% commission for every customer you refer to this product. 75% is huge actually. Now generate hope links. This is the code actually. Now I'm the owner of this code. I copy this. If I promote this product, I'll get a commission. Most of the affiliates fail because they know how to create hoop links, but how to promote, they don't know. What mistakes they do. Again, this is kind of in-depth, but still people understand that from telling you. Here, what they do actually. Okay, they got affiliate link. Now, how you have to promote? What they're doing directly, they're promoting this link. Assume that they're putting in the Facebook. They put a link in the Facebook. Then customer clicked and went to the vendor directly. Okay, customer clicked here. He landed here. So you got a link from Facebook directly is being to the vendor. He didn't purchase, but can you able to track him? You're not able to track him. 70% of the people are doing this mistake. So my suggestion is you got a link. What you have to do is you have to create a bridge page. This is also called pre-sell page. This is called pre-sell page. Now, whatever the link you got it, that link, you put it in the pre-sell page. Now you write something over here about the same product. Now customer from here is going to the vendor. Now here you will be having a Facebook pixel code or else some of the tracking code. So even customer not purchased also, you will do remarketing. Sales will improve. These here, some email marketing opt-ins, some things are there that I have to explain technically. I'm not doing here actually. But you created a pre-sell page. How people come here? Here you need techniques, different techniques you want. Either it can be from Facebook ads, it can be Google ads, it can be email marketing, or it can be from YouTube. As of now, people who are succeeding in this affiliate marketing industry is influencers. Influencers. Who can be influencer? Let me show you. Now, this is my YouTube channel. Here I'm explaining everything about digital marketing, domains, hosting, and everything. Now, how to buy a domain and hosting? This is the video. 1,837 people have already watched this video. Now, means I'm kind of influencer because people are following my channel. More than 8,900 people are watching my channel. And I'm providing free of cost. So there is a trust actually. Oh, Subhash Mangalam is a good guy. He's doing very good. Then what I do is, till now, indirectly, I gave a lot of business to GoDaddy because I always recommend GoDaddy. Now, if you have a YouTube channel like this, you want to make money from lot. Already I'm earning money with these ads. But apart from that, what I have to do is in the description, I have to mention that if you want to buy domain, this is the GoDaddy link. Someone click and purchase, you will get a commission. Out of 1,837 people free of cost they came. Among them, 100 people clicked, 50 people converted also. Easily you learn $200 to $500. So if you have a YouTube channel, you are influencer. But this YouTube channel should be niche based. It's not like a random videos you do it. Any particular thing. Now see, when it comes to me, I'm doing a digital marketing. You don't believe, I will show you my numbers after 1 year actually, because recently I've started after getting motivated by my students. I motivated more students towards blogging and affiliate marketing. One of my student, his Teco website is making a lot of money with the blogging. Now recently Satish and Venu, he's also working on this, and Manohar, these are people also working and they're making money. I got inspired and I started doing. Why I didn't do? Because I stuck in classes and all these things, consulting. I never find a time. Thanks to pandemic, I got a lot of time and I'm experimenting. I've seen a lot of scope in this. That's why I started actually. I'm not going to leave this. Now, what kind of products I'm going to promote here? I'll tell you. Social media. So many tools on social media is there. One thing is Sprout Social. This is a social media automation tool. Around $100 is there. Now I'll make a video like what are the social media automation tools? I'll try to get a lot of traffic to my videos. Then I'll give a link. You'll get a commission. And there are some text to speech. Some YouTubers, their voice is not good. They don't want to go for audio. Then automatically text to speech softwares are there, but they don't know what is good. Now I want to make a video on this. Now the email marketing tools also, which is good. I'm going to tell so that people will buy from that. So there is a lot of scope. My expectation is minimum I'm going to earn $10,000 without investing money in the next 1 year. I'm sure I'm going to show you that. But you have to do in a proper way. If you don't do proper, you will lose. Okay, 1 second. So let me go to that landing page. Right. So once you come to ClickBank, what is the profitable product and do it? And I was telling that you should have a proper pre-sale page. This pre-sale page, if you want to create, you should have a WordPress knowledge. With Elementor, it's enough, guys. You don't need to purchase anything, but there is a tool called ClickFunnels. Landing pages you can do beautifully. It is expensive, $100 per month. But if you want to make money seriously, you have to do that. To create a landing page, here they will give you a lot of details because you're promoting the product, right? This is all for the affiliates only. Now here, good news about the digital marketer. Why I say affiliate marketing is not optional. This is mandatory for every digital marketer. Here, so many digital marketer, they put efforts. What is best? What is selling? What content you have to write? And here they give you email swipes also. If you want to do email marketing, then this guy didn't give. Yeah, he gave here. So how you have to put this thing, they explained actually. Let me go to another one so that we can get a much better one. So what is the subject line you have to use and what should be your content? and what images you have to use, everything they gave actually. You just go there, go to ClickFunnels, create a landing page. That's it. Let me go to another one. When I convert this is called their JV page. So they're trying to give the affiliates. Yeah, get email templates text file. See, they're trying to help you. What should be your subject? Now, digital marketer, most of them not tried email marketing actually. What subject is working? What subject is not working? Today, this webinar is success only because of I done a lot of emails actually. So MailChimp automation I've done. That's why I reminded them, people came. What subject will work for you? A lot of knowledge is there. You're getting that. Right. See how this guy created a landing page in the same way through ClickFunnels, you can create a landing page and you can attract more traffic. Okay, that comes subject. Let's come back to the topic here. So I was talking, yes, how to do that. I'm going to show you. That's a brief introduction. It's a vast, actually, you have to spend a lot of time on this, but simple thing is register to CJ, or else it can be ClickBank or Digi24. Here you see here, what are the affiliate networks? ShareSale, ClickBank, CJ, Amazon Associate, eBay, Flex Offers, Paperjam, Rockten Marketing. And here also what niche you select is also very important. So fashion is always good, sports, health, travel. These are the 10 top affiliate niches you can select. Now, how to promote my link, whether I should go for free or paid. My suggestion is if you are a digital marketer, you have a knowledge of blogging and YouTube, Instagram, free is always good. Start with free, work for 3 to 4 months. When you start getting commission, then invest that money in the paid promotions. Here, free always good, but it is time taking. Paid is very quick. You start today. My earlier students, they started getting commission in the 7th day itself because they spent money. He started with 5 lakhs initial budget. Money only not important. Again, you should have a PPC skills also. Paid is always good, but if not done properly, you will lose money. Okay, digital marketers with good PPC skills can go for this. If not, no. First of all, if you're not a digital marketer, don't try affiliate marketing. First, learn digital marketing. Learning digital marketing is not that much tough actually. It will take 2 months time. But if you think that I don't have a time directly, I want to jump, then wait for a long time. Learn on the YouTube. When it comes to me, I'm providing the training on the YouTube for free of cost. So all the videos are there. You can learn from them. But what happens? There is no guidance for you. If you want to go for free, if you are suddenly stuck over there, you don't have. That's why if you really want to learn digital marketing, you're not a digital marketer, you come back to us so that we'll be training you digital marketing so that you can do affiliate marketing later. Success stories, as I told, good number of students are earning money, and some failed, some succeeded. Why people fail? People want quick money. Today I start, tomorrow I want money. Those kind of people should not do affiliate marketing. People don't have a patience. They should not do digital marketing. People don't have a time. No, they should. Minimum 2 to 3 hours you have to spend time. You see stocks, most of the people lose money in the stocks also. Okay, because they think that if I put money in the stocks, I'll make money. But without proper knowledge, even stocks also fail actually. I've seen many students who lost money in that. Affiliate marketing is much better than the stocks because stocks is in the market condition. Suddenly COVID come, stocks will come down. But affiliate marketing is not like that. It's your choice. What kind of product I'm selecting. It's with you. So based on all these things, I've seen many people. I want to start a program, 7 days program on this, so that I'm going to show you how to create affiliate network accounts, then how to choose a product, what is the hope link, and how to create these bridge pages, how to do email marketing effectively, PPC, most of my students, digital marketers also, but seen that still they're using broad match and they're using the short tail keyword and they're losing the money. So here I'm going to show you proven methods. So starting from choosing the best networks to how to create links, how to find niche, how to create hook link, and all these things, especially funnel creation. Being a digital marketer, of course, 2 months program, we didn't teach that much, but here we're going to teach you funnel creation, how to use ClickFunnels tool, how to do email marketing drip campaigns, PPC ads, especially for affiliate marketing, how to do that, and how to promote links through blogs, YouTube, email marketing, and how to do remarketing also. I'm going to do it. Okay. And I posted on Facebook, Instagram, like I'm going to start affiliate marketing course. Shall I go for free or paid? Most of the people suggest me to go for paid. I thought to go for free, but later I understood that if I go for free, there is no value, of course. So I want to go for the paid one only. And what is the course fees? 7 days course, 1 month support. I'm going to do that. I'm going to help all clearing your doubts. Course fees is 80,000. No problem. So if you join by tomorrow, I can give you 5,000. Okay. Now you're thinking, sir, started marketing. I learned from someone else. That's why I'm applying here. See, guy, I'm telling you, there is one guy called John Cristoni. His course cost is $900. Go and purchase it. And after that, learn from me, you'll understand. So if I start something, I could have started affiliate marketing long back. But if I don't do it, I will not teach anybody. Now I did it. That's why I'm giving for very less cost as compared to anywhere. This is the best one. And whatever the amount you're investing, it's not good. I'm always suggest that always invest on knowledge. Even this pandemic also, I purchased so many courses and I'm learning it and I'm applying it. So that I want to give for a very less price, 5,000. Try to join before 7 o'clock tomorrow. I'll give you 5,000 rupees. So I'll give you a link actually where you have to buy it. Who can join this 7 days course? See guys, you already digital marketer. I've seen that in this course, in this webinar, some people who are 3 years of experience also joined. You already good in this, you don't need to join. You don't need to join, you just explore and do it. But you are a new digital marketer, you don't have this kind of email marketing skills, pre-pages, bridge pages, then it's better you can join with me with a very less amount. Working professionals, there are some of this crowd who are not digital marketers, they're working for some software companies, but they have some researching skills. If you think that you can do, no problem. 5,000 is not a big amount, but you're not that much of researcher. You don't have a knowledge on domain hosting. It's better. It's always better. Don't join this affiliate marketing course. Join our digital marketing course. Okay. And what is the advantage of joining the course? Here, the course is 20,000. Now, if you join in this week, we're going to provide it for 15,000 rupees only. Means you got a 25% discount. Plus, I'm going to give you this affiliate marketing, whatever it is here, how much you got? You got 5,000 discount. At the same time, affiliate marketing course, which is worth of 5,000 also, that also I'm going to give you. So you're saving 10,000 rupees. So if you are a software engineer and you don't have a digital marketing skills, still you want to do affiliate marketing, I suggest you to learn digital marketing. Then I'll providing you affiliate marketing videos for free of course. So 15,000, you're learning both digital marketing. But here you have to spend 2 months on the course plus 1 month on the internship, just free. Then start doing the affiliate marketing. But without that, if you do it, it's waste. You will not succeed. Conclusion. My conclusion is people who want to make passive income. Recently, I joined a ClickBank Facebook group. Actually, most of the people from US, UK, Africans, because they want to make money, they have troubles. They want to make money. They think that if I start affiliate marketing, I can make $1 million because they've seen so many success stories, but that's not the fact. That's not the fact. Don't expect anything for the next 3 months. Think it as a knowledge and start working it. Okay. And go for free method, I said. And slowly when you're getting a commission, long method. These techniques I'm going to tell you. I'm telling you during the course, definitely I'll make you in such a way that you get a commission. What are the 5,000 rupees you're investing? you will get that money back. So for that, I'm getting an idea. See here, you do one thing. Now here, how many people attended? 72 people. Assume that quality 50 people are there anyway. Now, refer any of your friends to ODMT Institute. I'm going to give 5,000 rupees commission. That 5,000 you can invest. That you can invest. But how to promote it? How to promote it? I'm going to share one video here. So just check your chat. So to everyone. Right. I send a link here. You click and you can check the video. Here I explained how to promote. So during the affiliate marketing, you should not promote directly this website. If you so, people directly call us, right? Then you will not get commission. That's why without showing our website, how to promote it. Leads, you will get it. Now pass the leads to us. Now, whenever someone converted, I'm going to give you 5,000 rupees directly. So I believe that every person can capable of at least converting one person. Right. Now see, there are 70 people. Assume that everybody recommending one person. Now let's calculate here. 70 into 20,000. So 14 lakhs business is possible. If a person I'm sitting over here, assume that if everybody recommended, I said that there is a possibility anyway. If I'm only doing this 14 lakhs business, think about the world actually. People out there, different products, how much? Okay, right. And say something here. Yeah, time is very important if you want to do affiliate marketing. Patience is very important. Skill is very important. Without skill, don't jump here. And proper niche you have to select and always target US and UK. So India, if you target, get very less commission. And initially go for free method, and a long run go for PPC and some other ads. Right now, I gave you introduction of affiliate marketing, and I show you what is the difference between the reseller account and what is the difference between drop shipping. Now, finally, I show you the networks, how to take the link and how to do this. But this is just introduction. But if you come to my 7 days program, I'm going to clearly show you how to promote it. Right? I'm going to take 5 doubt sessions here. I'm going to give, because everybody comes, it's a clumsy actually. Students can ask questions. The people who don't know about digital marketing also can ask the question. First, you can message me about your doubt. Now, let me tell you. Who have a question, please send me a message to everybody. Any questions on this affiliate marketing session, please post over there. Nishta, could you explain the metrics below Grav, etc.? Okay. Okay. Remaining people also, meanwhile, you can ask the question. So Farooq, when it comes to session, every day 2-hour session will be there for 7 days, but I'll give you 1 month support. After 1 month, it doesn't mean that I will leave you actually, but after 1 month, you don't require me because you learned everything. You don't need it actually. Okay. And when it comes to creating funnels, I'm going to show you with the click funnel. I purchased the tool actually. With that, I'm going to show you. And Nista, so here, these are things. Gravity is nothing but how popular is the product actually. Okay. And there are some products every month subscription based. Even every month there's subscription also how much money you're getting. So in such a way, so money is there. Sometimes you don't understand them. If you come to that course, I'll try to explain. Next, guys, any questions? So 7 days is, but 30 days I'm going to support you. And after that also still you have questions I'm going to solve. Next question. Pushpa, today's price will change in the future as some beginner now also could require today's recording, sir. Okay. See, actually, I'm not going to teach affiliate marketing later actually, because once everything open, I will be very busy actually. Affiliate marketing, my live class only for these 7 days actually. After that, I'll making as a recording version, and I'm selling it as a e-learning. If you want, you can take. Okay. Or else I will teach to my trainers. Maybe they'll be taking, but this is the only batch I'm going to take. 1 second. Let me answer everybody. I need to build a website first related to product before starting affiliate marketing. Yes, Saurav, you need a website. After that only. How to influence through YouTube? I'm telling you, YouTube is enough, guys. If you want to make money, YouTube is the biggest. I have very good ideas through YouTube actually. I'll explain that in the course. Amjadullah, what is PPC? Pay per click actually. It can be a Google ads, it can be Bing ads. When you search on the Google, the top ads will come, right? That is PPC. So you don't know PPC means, definitely first you have to learn digital marketing, then only go to affiliate marketing. Okay. Okay, I'll show you the process of enrolling for the course. Marketing for UK and US companies, which extension is better.com? Good question, Pawan Gangadhar. Better go for .com actually. If you are spending money, go for .com. But you have a blog already, odmt.in is now already popular. But still, I'll go with the .in only. I'll tell you, US, complete US, 20% people are highly talented. Okay. And but there are remaining people, right? They don't care. They don't even see whether it is a .in or .com. No problem. Okay. But if you're running a PPC ads, it's better. You can go for a .com than .in. See, can we use 5 pages instead of ClickFunnels? You don't need ClickFunnels. You can go for directly Elementor page builder also enough. But today I'm telling you to create this. This is done with a Elementor only. But it took a lot of time for me to drag and drop on this. But ClickFunnels is awesome tool. With 5 minutes, you can create a beautiful landing page. So it's always good to go for a ClickFunnels. There are some alternates with a less cost also, I'll tell you. Yes. Membership cost for ClickBank and CJ. There is no membership cost, it's free. But I'll tell you the advantage of ClickFunnels over CJ. See, when it comes to commission junction, here, there are so many advertisers here. But to the advertiser, you have to put a request actually. You have to put a request. 70% of the people reject actually, due to a number of reasons actually. But when it comes to ClickFunnels, there is no that approval process. Now see, as of now, I got approval for Aweber, Sprout Social, and used photo. Remaining, I'm still requesting. But whereas here, there is no request automatically there. Take the link and post it. It's very easy to register. It's very easy to get a link, but it's very tough to get the money. That hack's only going to learn. Having a Google Ads on blog and doing affiliate marketing on the same blog, does this complies the Google Ads? See, Google have no problem with the affiliate marketing. You can do it, but there are Google Ads alternates that Google will not enter in, because Google works on the JavaScript based actually, but affiliate marketing is different actually. So Google Ads have no problem with the affiliate marketing. You can do it. So you paid codes in affiliate, just wanted to know option. Amit, you said that you're a beginner. If you already watched my videos on YouTube, you're good. It's better you can join my session. If you're perfect, you learn about PPC, how to run the ads, then yes, you can join the thing. If not, it's better you learn the codes first. Free method. This video is recorded actually, and I'm gonna send you link because I have all of your email IDs. I'm gonna send it. Nista, first of all, you will buy a domain actually. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you don't need a proper website like this. Home, about us, contact us. You don't need something like this. We will create landing pages actually. The advantage of landing pages is each page you can put a Facebook pixel code, conversion tracking code. That's how you will learn a lot of knowledge on digital marketing. Go and apply to the normal things also. There is a question, if we are planning to drive ads through inorganic way, how much budget we need to start with? Uh, it depends on you, how much money you have. It's better you can start with 500 rupees per day, see how clicks are coming. And see, the advantage of email marketing is, I'm going to show you this. what I did today. See, for this affiliate marketing only, I'm keep on doing here. Now I can see success rate is how much, whether people are opening or not. I'm checking here. Now here we will understand the customer behavior also. Let's open one customer. We have contacts here. Let me check one customer here. FAR UK, Farooq. Now see, I'm checking. Now when I check here understand. First I added him manually. Then I sent an email. He opened it. Again I sent, he opened. And he joined the session also. So we can understand the different people behavior. Whatever the money you spend, people are opening emails or not, whether they're clicking on the ads or not, they're converting or not, you will check actually. So based on that, you can take a decision. Initially, start with $10, then you keep on growing in the future. How to promote your link on Instagram? Instagram is always good to do influence. And after that, there are some flow pages recently. In the bio, instead of your direct URL, go for flow pages. So that n number of links you can post over there. People already started following you. They believe whatever you say, then start promoting. But see, affiliate marketing, there are pros and cons also. If you directly promote only links, there is no landing page. Sometimes they ban your account also. That's why it's always good to have a landing page. Yes. Mayank, is earning from affiliate marketing totally depend on the final consumer? Obviously, right? Obviously, earning will be depends on the end customer only, whether he purchased or not. Even JVZoo affiliate marketing will also be covered. I'm going to cover around 5 to 6 top affiliates. I'm going to explain that. Mostly we spend time on ClickBank. See, understand, at the end of the day, where you're getting a link is not important, whether it is from a ClickBank, whether it comes from CJ, whether it's from JVZoo. How you promoting is very important. That technique, if you learn, n number of affiliates you can enroll. Yes, you can use your current affiliate blogging website to promote it. Good to create landing pages so that it will be compatible with all browsers. Yes, ClickFunnels is awesome. Of course, it's expensive, but 70% of the affiliate marketers use ClickFunnels. You want to make money anyway, you should do invest. My suggestion is, you have money, you don't have a problem, you want to give a try. Not only affiliate marketing, even in stocks also, people starting with 1 lakh, right? Then wanting to start here, I suggest start with 50,000 rupees. Start with 50,000 rupees. Here, what will be your investment? 7,000 rupees on the ClickFunnels. Then landing page. Domain will be costing, domain and hosting will be costing around 1,000 rupees. I should that. Email marketing, you'll be taking actually, it can be here something 5,000, not 5,000, 2,000 enough. Okay. Plus PPC ads, you spend something 10,000 rupees here, plus 10,000 rupees on the social media ads. If you distribute like this, work for 1 month, I'm telling you, after knowledge again, not blindly, after learning properly, you will get 50 more thousand. Means 1 lakh you will earn for sure. But make your mind in such a way that this 50,000 is not mine. I'm investing on some IPL betting or something else. It's gone, you think it, and you try it. Work hard till you will get the money. So today I was talking to one guy. He was completely doing a spam on the group. That is also one technique I'll tell you. You can spam on the Facebook groups. I asked him how much you're earning. He said $4,000. It's very good actually. Actually, he only pinged me that these days I was active on the Facebook. I was talking to every US and UK guy saying that, bro, you're very active. I like your dedication. Everywhere I can see you only dominating. Before you, I was dominating actually. So that spamming technique also I'll tell you. I don't recommend, but sometimes you can do. If you don't have money to promote, with that also you can make money. That guy is making $4,000 just by spamming. So what is spam? I'll tell you. So people are joining for affiliate marketing. So they want to make money. Then he's speaking that if you want to earn money, you want to make $5,000 in a month, then take my course. That is not his course actually, someone else's course, which is costing $1,000. When he's promoting, you don't believe that guy is giving $450 as a commission. The course fees is $1,000 because this guy is referring, is getting $450 without anything is making money. This is power of affiliate marketing, but either you need time, either you need money. If you have a lot of time, maybe 3 months it will take to make money. But you have money, you don't care about that 50,000, you will start earning money in the first 7 days only. It depends on you. But without proper training, without proper skill, don't invest money. I've seen people losing money. Next, which affiliate marketing platform best to start with? ClickBank is good. As influencer marketing works for, yes, influencer marketing is awesome. So my suggestion for all the digital marketers, please, you are a digital marketer, maintain one website, maintain one blog, maintain one YouTube channel, and try to create your Instagram account, try to improve your followers, and be active on Facebook. Then your income will improve actually. Then only you are a proper digital marketer, and at least work on one client. See, today you're earning something 60,000, and a long run, your goal should be getting 20 lakhs or 30 lakhs per month. It's possible. People are taking. Recently, one of my students got package of 7.5 and literally has less experience, actually, less than 1 year experience. But he got it because he got the skill. I just boosted him. You can do it. And he got the package. There are some students who have 4 to 5 years of experience also, still they're getting less than 50,000, means you are going in a wrong way. Getting a job is not a success actually. Success is a journey. You keep on learning. You don't believe, it's been 10 days, 10 days literally, I'm working 17 hours on this affiliate marketing because if I don't research properly, then what I'm going to train? Okay. Soon we're going to include this affiliate marketing course in our classroom also. Hope for the best. The questions. I'm starting this affiliate marketing course on Wednesday. 7 days course will be recorded session after the, yes, 7 days course will be recorded, but I'm not going to upload on the YouTube. I'm going to put it in a separate e-learning platform where I'm going to sell it. Till now, I never made money with the e-learning because I feel like e-learning with the videos, sometimes people might not learn. But what happened? People are selling for a lot of money. They're getting cheated. So that at least with a less cost, let me give so that someone will get benefited. Okay. So you can keep on asking questions. Let me tell you. Yes, people who enroll, obviously you'll be getting a recorded session. I'm sending the link for enrolling for the 7 days course. You can check in the chat. So there is a PayPal, there is a Google Pay also, but I have not included. First, fill the form. Fill the form so that our manager will call you back and she'll talk to you. And next, people who want to, you are not a digital marketer, you want to enroll for the course, then please do it here. ODMT questions. Classes will be live session. It's starting from Wednesday. Classes will be live session. Will be interacting like this only, but it won't be like this. It will be interactive. You're not on mute actually. You can keep on asking the questions because too many people came here. I thought some noise is coming. That's why I'm not asking the people to switch on your mic. So it will be interactive session like this. I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, do we have one more webinar on affiliate marketing? Hitesh, we don't have any other webinar on affiliate marketing, but this, what are the webinar done? This is a recording. I'm going to send you the recording. Hey Hemant, I recommended GoDaddy. It's not. It was not affiliate marketing till now. I don't have affiliate link with the GoDaddy. Okay. Uh, Now I might be starting in the future, but I always recommend the students what is the best. I changed my mind actually. Apart from GoDaddy, SiteGround is very good, but unfortunately, SiteGround is not available in India due to some policies and all these things. But if the SiteGround is not there, always GoDaddy is the best actually because the support is good. Bluehost also is having good these days. Class timing, same timing, 7 o'clock. Let me confirm again here. Guys, Wednesday, classes will be start. And again, I'm telling you, people who have a digital marketing knowledge, they only join because you don't know about what is WordPress, what is this option. It will be very tough because your 5,000 will get wasted again. You think that I can manage, then only join. So people who have a knowledge, they can join. Wednesday, 7 p.m. Every day class will be there. 2 hour session will be there every day. And it will be interactive session where we will talk each other and I'm going to show you. And 1 month, I'm going to support you. What are the, see, most of the ClickBank accounts will be disabled. They start people asking question, why my account is disabled. We'll try to solve the things. We'll move forward. And course fees is, I said, 8,000. But if you join by tomorrow, it will be 5,000. The webinar who were joined, but outsiders, I'm going to give you 5,000. After that, I'm going to record this. People who not joined by this because of your digital marketing stuff, I'm going to sell this for e-learning. At the time, the cost will be 5,000. And yes, it's a lifetime access. What are the interactions having between the students? The same thing will be recorded and I'll be giving it to you. All right. I think I answered all the questions. Let's see this. Can you explain about that? YouTube link. What is the YouTube link? Okay. This is one thing. Second thing is I was talking about ODMT affiliate marketing. It's nothing but please refer to our online trainings and you might be asking questions. What is the benefit? Assume that you referred your brother. I'm telling you, you refer someone, I'm telling you 100% job guarantee. I'm not saying this is assistant. You'll get a job. And these sessions I will not take. My trainers will take. They're very good actually, but I'll be your mentor. And we will charge 20,000 from whoever you referred, but the remaining 5,000 rupees, I'll be giving it to you. But how to refer them? Maybe, of course, maybe your brother, your sister, someone you refer actually. But you want to go outside of that. Throughout Hyderabad, you want to market. Through Bangalore, you want to market. Whatever the video I shared, I gave technique actually. How to promote other people also. So that video is that. So you go and watch that. If you still have any questions on that, you can mail me. Whether it can be regarding to this course, whether it regarding to ODMT affiliate, or whether it regarding to ODMT joining also, you can, or else you can WhatsApp us. Our team members will get back to you. All your questions. And some people are outside India, they're there. And you can also mail me. I'll be sending you PayPal link actually. Okay, next. We will get record sessions as well, right? So yeah, people who join, you will be having access to e-learning also. Yeah, tomorrow same time, 7 p.m. Tomorrow till 7 p.m. We can enroll for the course. Hosting, I can say Bluehost is much better than the Hostinger. Go for Bluehost. Hemant, what's your questions? Can that be AM? What is that? To the support? I didn't get you. Ask again. If you know little WordPress knowledge and blogging site and know the digital technology, can I join this? Pushpa, you can join. You already a digital marketer. I spoke to you, right? You can join this because you're already working. So it's not a problem. You can join. Yes, you'll be getting recordings as well. How you want to pay? You already filled the form, right? Our team members will call you back and they'll share the Google Pay number. Actually, there is a payment link also here, but because I made a decision of last minute about the payment. So I didn't include it properly actually. So that's why we're taking manually. But out of the country people, we're doing in a different way. How do you let affiliate marketers do let promote your brand? That is the thing, right? If more people are promoting, that's happened with Misho and Oriflame. If you yourself promoting your product, it might not reach more people, right? If a lot of people contributed to your brand, free of cost they're working and you're giving commission on the CPA based, that's very good. That is the beauty of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is very good for the vendors. Now ODMT is assumed that vendor. That is very good for us because you people are promoting it. But your side, you're getting commission 25%. Our side are getting a business. GoDaddy affiliate marketing. Yes, they give commission. They are genuine. Yes. Yes. See, Bluehost also very good. GoDaddy be converted into affiliate marketing stuff. Yes, 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 yes. I'm a beginner, so I don't have that confidence, hence asking silly questions. Even after enrolling your live course tomorrow, could I have access to your e-learning recording? Amit, yes, you will be having a e-learning videos. That's not, I'm not going to post on YouTube. I'm going to share because most of the foreigners, they're buying the course for $1,000. Now I want to give them for $70 so that they will get benefited. Actually, my aim was this to target US countries. Okay, but I need someone to train, right? That's why I choose my students. Actually, I thought to give free of cost. I've decided, but finally I posted on the social media. Now my students, my well-wishers, they said that don't give a free of cost because they will not validate it. Give some amount. That's why I'm giving for 5,000 rupees. Nista, that is only right. Affiliate marketing. How you promote with the links, right? I hope everybody cleared your doubts. If you still have doubts, you can ask me. And so that I'll conclude what is the agenda of today's meeting. And right, if no questions, I'm going to conclude. One second, let me conclude. Conclusion is, as today's crowd is digital marketing students, maybe software guy with good knowledge on, and some people are newbie, they don't know anything about digital marketing. If you are a digital marketing student, you have very good knowledge, but you don't know, you're a fresher version that 1 to 2 years of experience only, but you never done email marketing, you never done ClickFunnels, this stuff you want, I recommend you to join this course because so much of things you'll be learning over here so that you can apply in your career. Definitely your confidence level will increase. That's one thing. But you're already doing this, no need to join here. No need to join here. Yes. Next, people who working in another domain apart from digital marketing, if you have a good knowledge of researching, still you can join. But if you don't have a knowledge, I can say don't join this because you don't understand. Because when I'm telling, I'll go to that landing page, I'll put a button, I'll go to WordPress. Now you think that this is an alien language this guy speaking. Okay. New base, I refer you learn digital marketing course with us so that you can save 10,000 rupees. You will learn digital marketing as well as affiliate marketing also. You learn at the cost of just 15,000 rupees. 15,000 is not a big deal actually. Okay. Now this is one thing. Second thing is I'm asking people to promote ODMT so that we'll be giving a 5,000 rupees commission. Okay. Thank you very much, everybody. I hope this session somewhat helped you. I'm not saying that it's changed your life, but somewhat motivated you to do something. Most of the people, I'll tell you one story. One of my friend, he's working for some good company only, but he's making something around 70 to 80,000 rupees. But these days, 70 to 80,000 is also not enough. You need more money. He was asking like how to get 20 to 30,000 more income. He left with no choice. But when it comes to me, see here, I'm training, I'm consulting, and I'm selling videos. I'm a YouTuber, I'm a blogger, I'm an affiliate marketer. So there are n number of ways. Thanks to digital marketing, there are n number of ways you can make money. But what you need is time. Without time, digital marketing, you can't survive. Most of the digital marketers, they just learn link building. They call themselves as a digital marketer. Those days are gone, guys. You have to be, when it comes to me also, 8 year back, what knowledge I have now, I have drastic changes there, because every day I'm a learner. Then only you'll get success, right? And thank you very much for attending the session. And students, hope we'll meet soon actually once the pandemic is done. And if you have any questions to regarding this batch, the codes batch, you can mail me or else you can WhatsApp this. Thank you very much. See you soon. Madhu, thank you very much. Sharif, thank you. Yes, guys, if you have any personal questions, you can do a mail. Thank you very much. I'm ending the sessions. Bye bye. Take care, all of you. Saurav, thank you very much.